Good morning, Villa School, and welcome back to another edition of the VES News.
Your newscasters are Audrey from the Giambertone Borelli class.
And also Ayush from the GB class.
Today is Wednesday, February 8th. It is a day 2.
Today's character education thought of the day is, write a thank you note for a gift you received. Now to Audrey at our weather center.
Today will be mostly sunny. The current temperature is 42 degrees, and the high is expected to be 56 degrees. The low this evening will be 34 degrees. The current humidity is 100%. Tomorrow will be snowy. The high is expected to be 34 and a cold at 17 as a low. Looking at the radar, we are seeing clear skies for today, but that changes for tomorrow as a storm rolls in. This storm could drop to 6 inches or more of snow, so dust off your sleds. This sounds like a fun day to play in the snow. There will be blacktop recess, and it will be a blue recess day.
Thank you, Audrey. If you look up to the night sky tonight, here's what the moon will look like.
A full moon is getting closer. It is only 3 days away.
Today's lunch will be rotini with Italian meat sauce.
And don't forget those sides of veggies, seasoned spinach and roasted cinnamon butternut squash.
Tomorrow's lunch will be whole grain pancakes with a pork sausage patty,
with roasted carrot fries and home fried potatoes.
At this time, please stand as you honor our country with the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag. Scroll down.
Our 4th graders have a field trip on Friday.
It is sure to be a fun trip to the Camden Aquarium.
The box top collection ends on the 15th.
So keep bringing them in. The 3rd and 4th grade class with the most will win a prize from the PTA.
Dr. Bell will also be giving out more box tops for tomorrow Trivia's winner.
This month's recess activity of the month is Foursquare.
Foursquare is a great activity to play on blacktop only days. And it can be lots of fun if played correctly. So remember to follow these rules and don't forget to be a good sport.
Rule 1, confirm the rules. Rule 2, have each player stand in one of each 4 squares.
Rule 3, note that the highest ranking square is square 4. Rule 4, serve the ball by bouncing it on your square once. Then hit it to the opposing square. Make sure that the ball stays within the other square and is not on your outside of any lines.
Rule 5, hit the ball back. Receivers must hit the ball back to any other player. Rule 6, continue playing until a player hits the ball out of the square or bounces twice in the player's own square. This makes the player out. All other players serve as line judges if the ball hits the line and there is a disagreement between the hitter and the receiver.
Rule 7, shift the player who is out to the lowest level, joker, unless there is any line of people waiting to play. Then the person who is out goes to the end of the line and the person next in line goes to the joker square. When a player is out, everyone moves up 1 square.
Follow these rules and you will have a fun Foursquare experience.
These are some rules our PE team explained to us, so work together and have fun.
Friday is a school spirit day.
Celebrate kindness and caring by wearing red.
Attention safety patrollers, you will receive 1 paper to acknowledge someone who is being a great role model when it comes to walking.
You can choose when you want to give it out, but you only get 1 this week.
These have to be earned.
Your peers should not be asking for them because they are earned. Leah will help give them out, so be patient.
Did you know that this week is School Guidance Counselor Week?
We have some great counselors to thank in our school. Miss Fornell and Miss Shantz are always available to help when students are most in need.
When you see them today or later in the week, be sure to give them a big hug and let them know how much we appreciate them.
You could even make a card to show your appreciation in some other way.
For the VES News Network, this is Ayush signing off.
And Aundrey signing off.
Tune in tomorrow to see what's happening at Village School.
Have a wonderful Wednesday.
Remember,
Blazer says be your best at VES.